Welcome. Today we'll be looking at a fantastic ebook resource called the Open Library. But before we dive into the Open Library, I wanted to briefly introduce you to the Internet Archive, which is the parent website for the Open Library. The Internet Archive is a massive collection of books, audiobooks, images, music, journals, stock footage, and much more. According to their own website, they call themselves a digital library of internet sites and other cultural artifacts in digital form. I highly recommend that you explore all that it has to offer. And so as far as accessing the Open Library, you can access it via the Internet Archives under Projects, or just go to openlibrary.org. And I already have a tab opened here, and so here we are. Essentially, the Open Library functions much like a regular library. You have the option of checking out books online for up to 2 weeks and returning them when you are done. There are even wait lists for especially popular books, so as soon as it's your turn, the book is checked out to you and you can read and enjoy it. Furthermore, some books that are particularly difficult to find due to age, rarity, and expired copyright can be downloaded as just a simple PDF without having to check the book out. It's as simple as creating your own free account and to start reading. And I actually already have an account created, so I will be using my own account to show you some of the features the website has to offer. And so, starting off, this is the main page for the Open Library. Here you have various predetermined bookshelves with popular categories and titles. You can easily scroll through these shelves using the arrow keys located on the left and right. If there's a particular genre that you know you're interested in, you have two search options. You can scroll through the shelf of genre icons at the top and just select one, and it'll pull up all books that have been cataloged under that genre heading. And beneath each, let's see here. So yeah, below each icon is actually a total number of books that have been indexed this way. You can also click on Browse by Subject right above the icons. And on this page, you'll be able to use keywords to search for specific subject headings. So let's think. Let's just run a simple search for an example and use the term dinosaurs. That should give us some subject headings to choose from. Yeah. So this is all the subject headings that include the term dinosaurs. And we can even see how many books have been indexed using each subject heading. And so the first one here has 2,532 books that have been cataloged using this subject heading. Just go ahead and click on it and we can scroll through these and explore what it has to offer. And down here at the bottom, this isn't really that important, but it is a pretty cool bibliometric demonstrating how often by year books about dinosaurs have been published. And so you can see that there's been a definite spike in the past 20 years for dinosaur books. Just a little interesting fact. Okay, so if we return to the main page, you'll see the traditional search bar in the upper right hand corner. The drop box will provide you with a list of limiters, i.e. author, title, keyword, etc., to help you specify your search parameters. There's also an advanced search feature where you can fill out a number of different search boxes and create searches that are specific as you want them to be. So we'll just do another example real quick, and we'll do a title. We'll do The Winter King, and the author is Bernard Cromwell, I believe, and the subject is King Arthur. And so we'll just run this search and see what happens. No results. Okay, so what this typically means is that we were probably too specific in our initial search. We need to go back and be a little bit more general, and we should retrieve something. So I'll just switch to Bernard and see if that's not more specific and try running this search first. And still nothing, so we're still too specific, so we need to be more general. And we will just take out the subject and run the search here. And perfect. Those are the two books I was looking for. So that's just a little demonstration of how you can use the advanced search feature. I highly recommend these books. They're fantastic. And so one of the best things about the Open Library is the personal account feature. Because you're signed in under a private account, you can create personalized reading lists. And so we have currently reading, want to read, already read, and the website will actually keep track of this and use that data to help offer you future suggestions. Furthermore, if you don't know what you want to read, the website will actually choose a random book for you. Just go to, I believe it's under More, and then Random Book, and the website will choose a random book for you. And so let's see what happens here. Excellent. We have a random book that was generated for us, and we can check that out if we'd like. Lastly, if you can't find what you're looking for, the Open Library also provides you with an add a book form. So if the library does not have it, and provided the copyright restrictions allow for it to be added, the Open Library will add the book for you. And so this is one of my favorite online resources, and I really hope you enjoy it too. The Open Library really is an ever-growing community of readers who just want to read and contribute content. So enjoy.